Hello guys, welcome to today's class. So in today's class we're going to be talking on how to convert an improper fraction to mixed number. Okay, and if this is your first time to this channel is all about the GED Math prep, okay, where we're going to be taking several topics under the GED syllabus. That's the topics under maths, and introducing the topic and also taking out several GED test prep questions on that topic, okay, to boost your understanding on that particular topic. All right, okay, so please try to click the subscribe button to support this channel, and also share with your friends, family, and loved ones for trying to sit for the GED exams, and also try to give this video a thumbs up. And also you can join our Facebook group, okay, an active Facebook group where you can post any questions you have problems with your GED maths. All right, I'm going to drop the link of the Facebook group in the video description box, okay, of this video. All right, okay, so let's get on to the question, and don't forget to subscribe. Please support this channel as a new one, and I plan on maybe within a year finishing up every topic under the GED maths. Okay, all right, so here we have how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. In the earlier video which I introduced fraction, and if you remember improper fractions, okay, we have this an example of improper fraction as what you have here, 13/6. You have an improper fraction is what, 4/3, where you have your numerator greater than your denominator. I explained that this is your numerator and this is the denominator. So an improper fraction is the fraction in which the numerator is greater than your denominator. So how do you convert this fraction to a mixed number? And remember, mixed numbers are numbers that have an integer together with a fraction. So when you have 1/3, this is a mixed number. Okay, so how do we convert this to a mixed number? And as I told you in the earlier video, you can't just leave an improper fraction this way. You have to always convert it to a mixed number to get the final answer. Okay, that's, let's say you're to add some fractions or subtract some fractions or multiply or divide, which we're going to do later on. Okay, so let's say for example we are to convert this improper fraction to a mixed number. What's the first thing you're to do? Okay, so the first thing you're to do is, okay, the easiest way so you don't get confused. All right, let me erase this. Okay, so you don't get confused, the easiest way, which I love and I teach through this method. Okay, there are several methods, but I feel the one which would be easier for you to get quickly is this style. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is just place the current denominator as this denominator. Just write it somewhere here down. Just put your division sign, okay, or just your dash, which says separates the numerator from the denominator, and place 6 here. Okay, you're always going to have the denominator the same. All right, okay, so the next thing you now do is you now have to check how many of this denominator can we get in our numerator. And what does this mean? How many 6 can we bring out from what, 13? Do you understand what I just said? Follow me closely. It's just simply saying divide 13 by 6. Okay, that's what I just simply said. But if you want to understand it better, just say how many 6 can we get in what, 13? And here we can get about 2 6 and a remainder. Okay, because 2 times 6 is equal to what, 12. Okay, and this is 13. All right, if this was 18, it means we can get a 3 6. Okay, but here we can only get 2 6, so we can get only 2 6. All right, so we now write a whole number, which is what our integer has, what, 2, so we can only get 2 6. All right, and what is the remainder after getting 2 6 from 13? Our remainder is what, 1. Since we have 13, it will be what, 13 minus what, 12, which is equal to what, 1. And you put this remainder up here. All right, so you can see how easy it is to convert what, an improper fraction to a mixed what number. So this is our answer. All right, let's do some more. Okay, let's say we now have here 13/9. Okay, this is an improper fraction. All right, so how many 9 can we get in 13? Okay, do you know that? we can only get a 1 9, all right, because 1 times 9. And please, in maths, what will actually help you is your multiplication tables. All right, okay, so that's the foundation of mathematics. Once you know your multiplication tables, you would excel. It will be so easy for you to do maths. All right, so your multiplication table is quite very important. So if you can try, I know you're quite busy, you're working, but if you can try on your way to work, you can pick maybe the 2 times table or the 3 times table, 4 times table, and try to memorize them. Let them let it be at the back of your mind. All right, you have it in your heart. All right, try to memorize them. Memorizing them, repeating them would also help you. Okay, so maybe on your way to work, try and just look at get a times table sheet from 1 to 12, all right, and treat each day. And when you become a master of it, is quite very easy for you to solve any questions on maths. All right, so it is quite key. Your multiplication tables is key in maths. All right, okay, and I think I will try to do a video on how you can learn your multiplication tables easily. I'll try to do that. All right. Okay, so how many 9 can you get in 13? Now we have here 1 times 9 is 9, and 2 times 9 is what? 18. You can see that 18 is greater than 13. All right, so we can't get 2 9s from what? 13. We can only get what? 1 9. All right, so we remember, as I said, put your separation, all right, okay, and drop 9 here. All right, drop down 9. And how many 9s can we get in 13? As we've gotten here is what? We can only get 1 9. So what is the remainder? The remainder will be what? 13 minus 9. And what is 13 minus 9? That will give us a 4, and we'll drop our 4 here as our numerator. So this is a mixed number. This is how we converted 13 over 9, okay, to one whole number 4 over 9. Okay, and in the next video I'm going to teach you how to convert this back towards convert your mixed number back towards your improper fraction. But stay with me, let's do 2 more examples so you get it properly. Okay, so we have here another example. We have 36 over 11. All right, so the first thing I told you, I said this first thing I said earlier is draw a division sign and put 11 as our denominator. Now, how many 11s can we get in what? 36. Now remember, we have 1 times 11 is what? 11. 2 times 11 is what? 22. And 3 times 11 is what? 33. Okay, so, and if we say 4 times 11 will give us what? 44. But 44 is greater than 36. All right, so we have to stop at what? 33. So how many 11 can we get in 36? We can get only what? 3 11. Are you getting me? We can't get 4 11, because to get 4 11 we will have to have 44 or a number greater than 44. All right, but here we just have 36, okay, which is below what? 44. So we can only get 3 11 from what? 36, since 11 times 3 times 11 is what? 36. So we write down what? 3. Okay, so we have 3 whole number here. All right, which is an integer. Then what is the remaining? Okay, removing 33 from 36, what do we have? That is 36 minus 33. We are going to have what? What are we going to be left with? We are going to be left with what? 3. So we have 3 whole number, 3 over 11. So we've converted this to what? A mixed number. Okay, let's do the final one. We have what? 22 over 7, which is our famous pi. Okay, I hope you know this, our famous pi. So how do we do this? The first thing, draw your division sign and put 7 down here, and now ask, how many 7 can we get in 22? How many 7 can we get in 22? Looking at your multiplication table, we have 1 times 7, which is what? 7. 2 times 7, which is what? 14. And 3 times 7 is what? 21. So we can only get 3 7 from what? 22, which is what? Which, if you say 7 plus 7 is what? 14 plus another 7 is what? 21. So we can only get 3 7 from what? 22. So we write down 3 whole number, and what are we left with? What's the remainder? It will be what? 22 minus 21, which is equal to what? 1. So we have remainder 1. So our answer here is what? 3 whole number 1/7. So this is how we convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. All right, thank you for staying tuned. Okay, and the next video I'm going to treat how to write a mixed number as an improper fraction. All right, so thank you for staying tuned. Don't forget, Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ. You are destined to win. Bye.